Is it true that cracking your knuckles is bad for you? Like this, if you've ever heard someone say that cracking your knuckles is bad. First, why do our knuckles crack? The answer is surprising. When we crack our knuckles, we're slightly increasing the space between the joints, and this causes the gas bubbles in the fluid to pop. This also explains why we can't crack our knuckles multiple times in a row. It takes some time for those gas bubbles to reform. But then comes the burning question. Is it bad for you? Most likely no. There are many articles about the effects of cracking your knuckles, and one of the most famous is from a doctor who cracked the knuckles of only one hand for 50 years. He took an x-ray afterward, and his hand showed no more signs of wear than the other one. And he deserves an award for persistence. But if you're the type of person who likes to crack your knuckles, just be careful not to use too much force. Because that's how some people get hurt.